I love the Attenborough Nature Reserve. My family and I have been going there for more than 40 years, and over that time we've seen how it's evolved. The new visitor centre and all the new facilities, and how the number of birds, the number of species has increased all the time. And now we have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure the future of the reserve so that generations to come can enjoy it as much as I and my family have done. So I really strongly urge you to support the Nottingham Wildlife Trust by donating to the Attenborough Nature Reserve Lifeline appeal so that we can raise the money to buy the reserve for future generations.